Asha.
Today I am drawing rainbow happy birthday cake. Let's draw and paint with me.
Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one. The mouse ran down. Hickory, dickory, dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two. Away she flew. Hickory, dickory, dock. Tick tock, tick tock.
Now let's paint with me.
The clock struck three. Fiddly-dee. Hickory, dickory, dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The bear slept.
Please like and subscribe if you like the video.
He ran out the door. Hickory, dickory, dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five. She went to her hive. Hickory, dickory, dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck six. Oh, fiddle-sticks. Hickory, dickory,
Wow, this is looking so beautiful.
Hickory, dickory, dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory, dickory, dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory, dickory, dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory, dickory, dock.
Please like and subscribe if you like the video.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes.
Wow, this colorful cake is looking so cute. See you on next video. Take care. Bye bye.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the